And hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a TikTok shop US. Be careful to this US account. It's not like any other account. US account is a separated zone on TikTok. It's so special. It has a lot of features that doesn't exist in all the other areas. So be careful to this. The first thing we'll need to do is to have I'm talking, by the way, I'm talking to the ones who are selling on mini shops. So you need mini shops. In my case, I don't sell only on one shop. I don't rely only on one shop. So I have many shops. And for this, I use multi-login, as you can see here. And yeah, this is not my official account, but on my official account, I have a list of TikTok shops. I'm just trying to protect my privacy. So this one is just to show you how things work. Is TikTok shop good? It's amazing and bad. It depends on how you will use it. If you can, or you have the ability to bring audience not only to your shop but also to your content on TikTok, then you will be perfect and amazing. Watch this video, you will see it on the screen to know how to get content, to get products, and how to do if you want to do Amazon affiliate using TikTok. This is a full tutorial. It's about 30 minutes, but it includes everything you will need to know. But for now, let's stick to TikTok shop. It's something else. What we will need to do is to create a new profile. Let's say TikTok shop 2. By the way, it doesn't matter if you will need just one profile, since you will be outside the US, or if you are outside the US, for sure you will need an anti-detect browser and proxy. So let's say this is a TikTok shop 2. Let's go down. It's not like Etsy and eBay. It doesn't require a lot of settings. It's enough to pick United States here and to pick the same state you are living in or your information are from. In my case, it's California. Here, the ISP, let's say AT&T. It's good. You have a lot of choice here. Comcast, Charter, all these are good ISPs. You check the proxy like this, and you go to screen resolution. You make it real. Here, it's good to make Amazon. The pre-made cookies is Amazon, and you click create. In my case, I already have it here. I done just the same things you are seeing on or you have seen now. And all I need to do is just to open the profile. The first thing we need to do is to open this website here. This is my website. I'm offering it to my followers and to the public in general to check the profile if doesn't leak anything like IP, MAC address, cookies. So we will rescan. Oh, I'm sorry. We will rescan the. Okay. Let's just refresh the page. So we start from over. Start risk detection. This is so important, guys. Please don't come and tell me we did everything on the video but it doesn't work. If you are skipping just one step, it's so important and crucial, guys. So just stick to the video, please. Here, as you can see, the network information all green. In general, if you see all green here, just skip it. But if you are curious to know what is green or what is green, the IP is good, the ISP is Cox, the ISP type is residential, Windows type desktop, time zone is matching. All these things are so important. The robot check all these things to detect if you are a normal person or someone trying to hide his or her identity online. So once you're done with this, of course, you need to have an email account, and you go to Google and just type. By the way, guys, you have to make some search like to warm the account, like TikTok, then TikTok shop, then how to sell online. Then let's come back to TikTok now. You click this link here, it will take you to a normal page where you will just need to submit your email and number. Guys, the email must be a Gmail or Hotmail. Don't submit anything else. And the number must be a real number, like from a SIM card, not any online service. And once you're done, they will take you to this page here, which is so important. We click next. Okay. Of course, we are going to sell as an individual. Next. Here, I will upload the passport. I cannot show you this step here because YouTube doesn't allow to show identity and things like this, but I will upload it and come back to you. It's being uploaded now. You can choose the state ID or the US driver's license. It doesn't matter. This is the ID I uploaded, and they will detect everything here. Ah, okay, they couldn't. Let me upload it again. Or let me choose another one. Okay, I choose another driver license. It's being checked now. They will fill all the information here. Okay. That's a joke, guys. Come on. Okay, I will just fill it by myself. Okay, guys, I have uploaded the front side, the back side. I filled everything here, including the legal name, first name, last name. If the middle name is on your ID, you have to put it here. The US driver's license number, the date of birth, the expiration date, the address, and the most important thing, guys, is the last 4 digits of your tax ID, which is the SSN in our case, because I don't have the ITIN. If you ask me, guys, how I'm opening a lot of accounts, I don't use the same information. So think about it, guys. I don't use the same information. I have a lot of data I use. If you want this kind of data, I can sell it for you. You can just reach me to my number on the description, and I will be glad to help you. Um, as you can see here, everything is ready. Next. Okay, let's give it here a name. Uh, it's optional, but you have or you should add a shop logo here. Let's say kitchenware, which is actually the main category I sell myself. Next, I need to verify my number, and let's put it here. Send a code. It's 1933. Okay. Uh, uh, Let me see what's wrong here. Oh, okay. They ask about the other spoof. I will prepare it and come back to you. Okay, we have the other spoof here. As you can see, it's a Florida electricity bill or energy bill. Everything is good. Let's go and upload it. It's this one. Next. All is good. Submit. Now we need to verify the ID, which is something I will do with my phone. I know, guys, you are asking how can we do it. Unfortunately, I cannot share the method for public, but feel free to contact me if you would like to purchase the method. It works with eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Wise, Revolut, with everything you need, but I cannot share it for public because it will be patched soon or easily. So it's only for purchase. Feel free, guys, to contact me if you would like to purchase it. For now, let me do the verification and come back to you. And as you can see here, guys, the identity is verified. We used Persona, they use Persona. It's like Wise, like a lot of companies. They use Persona, which is for me the highest end of verification. Okay, guys, we did it now, and all we need to do is to go and start uploading our products. Of course, I don't know if there will be a manual review. Not sure, but let's see. Okay. Yes. Next. Next. And as you see, guys, the application is submitted. The review will usually take 1 to 2 days, but in my, in my case, sometimes it takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes, up to 1 hour, and then your account is all ready to sell. But you can just go and start the setup. If you pass the personal verification, everything else is good. As you can see here, this is our dashboard. Products, manage products. You can go here and you can start adding your products. And I wish you the good luck with your sales. If you have any question, just leave it on the comment section. If you would like to buy a ready seller TikTok account, eBay, Etsy, and a lot of platforms that I provide, you just need to reach me out on my WhatsApp or Telegram on the description. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.